So now that I built the PourVault app so I can keep track of my acrylic paint pours online, I need to go back for all of the pours that I've done and start putting in that history. And because I've done videos on many of those, I can look up the video, figure out what paints I use, what techniques I use, and get those all in retroactively. So let's check out my wall here and choose one to do it with. So these are some of my favorite paintings, and I think we're going to start with this one. Let's not knock the other one over though. Then we come in here into my studio. So now I want to get into my phone here, go to the PourVault app. It'll load up all my previous pours, as you can see here. And in this case, we want to add a new one. Plus, I want to take a photo, allow to use my camera. Just going to take a nice photo, get my belly out of the way. That's the one I want to use, and then I can edit this however I want. This gets out of my center, but I could flip it 90 degrees. I'll say done here. And I want to add a photo from my gallery, which I took a little second ago. Got to give it permission. And I have this one, which is just a picture of this lower right-hand section here that I really like, the kind of darker colors. And I can play through those if I want. And then we'll continue. I loved this pour. I did some research already, so I know it was June 1st of 2025. I don't have a name for it yet. If I do get one, I'll come back. It was a Dutch pour. And now I know all these paints that I used. So I'll just search for Arteza. So I had Arteza Pearl Golden Hour. And you can see in here, I don't have Pearl Golden Hour. So we're just going to, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom here and say paint isn't listed. I'm going to say Pearl Golden Hour. Make myself a note that I need to add that one. I'll add another paint. And I have Pebeo. Oh, that's actually Pebeo Studio Acrylics. And this is Iridescent Precious Gold. Iridescent Precious Gold. I'm just going to add all of my colors first. Master's Touch Acrylic. Sometimes I really hate the autocorrect that Apple does automatically. And I want magenta. Then we'll do Liquitex Basics. Helicerian Crimson Hue Permanent, right there at the top. Next we want Blick, which is just right here. Fluid Art. And if you see, I did not have Blick Fluid Art Acrylic, so this shows custom. I need to add the Fluid Art, but I don't have it, so I've added that. And then I need to add Quinacridone Violet. If you're like me, this thing never works for you. And then I have another one. It's also a fluid. Paint isn't listed. Oh wait. Let's go back. It is this.
was this anthraquinone blue. And then, as always, I have my Amsterdam standard. Titanium white. And then I can hit click mix colors. So I know I did one with the golden hour and the iridescent precious gold. I'm gonna link those two together, so that shows that that's my mix one. And then I also did one with the two Blick colors. And then I also did one with Liquitex Basics. Oh, that's a bug there. I found my own bug. Alisarian Crimson Hue and Quinacridone Violet. And then I could rename these if I wanted to. I wanted this to be Soft Gold. And then what it does is it shows which paints have a mix. So see, it has the soft gold mix, and it has soft gold mix. And also the recipe on these, I actually don't remember the recipe, but if I did, I could choose a recipe or I could make a new recipe. I'll have to add that later. So continue, this is on a canvas. It is square. It's a 24 by 24 by 1.5. And then I didn't make up enough base coat. Wish I would have included a bit more gold. We save, and Professor Pour tells us it looks good. So now I can see that painting. I can see all that information that I had. So what that gives us is, one, when I'm on this screen, let's say I'm going to do a Dutch pour and I want to see all the Dutch pours I did previous. It's only going to show me the paintings that I actually have, because I don't want to filter on stuff I don't have. I've done those two, so I can look at those two and review my notes for those, so I can make sure I don't make the same mistakes that I had before. The other thing I can do is, for example, maybe I want to go to paints, and this is going to show me all the paints that I've used. As you see, Amsterdam Standard, I've used a bunch of paints. Titanium white I've used 6 times, and you can do it by brand, or you can sort this by the most used. So titanium whites I've used 6 times, cobalt blue I've used 3, and it shows me all those so I can see which paints I use more often. Here I can also add to my recipes. If I'm not adding a painting, I can just add to my recipes right then. Has some insights about your paintings, your pours, your average rating, what types of techniques, your ratings. And that way, when I want to do research, it's all right here in the app. So if you were using this, what things would you want me to add to this app? Let me know down below in the description. And if you want to see how I made this painting, here is the video that did that.